In this video, we are going to show you how to permanently deactivate or delete your Telegram account. Now, it's not as simple as going to your Telegram and then clicking on the three dots here, or clicking on the three lines or hamburger icon here. It's not the same thing. You actually need to go to your mobile browser or your PC browser and go to my.telegram.org/aw. So delete account or manage apps. So here it says log in here to manage your apps using Telegram API or delete your account. Enter your number, and we will send you a confirmation code via Telegram, not SMS. So that means if you enter your phone number here and click next, Telegram will send you a confirmation code via Telegram, right? Via here, not your text, not through normal text, right? So just click that and just continue moving through it's very straightforward. um and again, you gotta make sure that you actually want to delete or deactivate your Telegram account, because a lot of people use it for business. And yeah, pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.